Dear students, practical is nearly over and vibes going on of farewell. Your funny speeches, mimicry, tearful eyes, and a broken heart mesmerize us. So my wish is completely different. You know, there is a French warrior, Napoleon Bonaparte. His famous quote is, "If you make an army of 100 lions and leader is a dog, then all the lions will die like dog in war. If you build an army of 100 dogs and the leader will be the lion, then definitely all the dogs fight like lion. You may be mama's boy or papa's lalpari, not matters. From principal desk to all of your teachers, not less than the lion, they are the Babbar said. Ishara साफ है. Countdown started. Strike back. Definitely we'll get good result with skills. धन्यवाद. जय जगन्नाथ. चलो पढ़ो.